How to install Terraform on macOS? First of all, drive yourself to hashicorp.com and click on the install on the menu. As you can see, many platforms are supported. All the principal operating system, macOS, Windows and Linux, but I would like to start with macOS because it's super simple, especially if you have Homebrew as a package manager. Welcome on my terminal. First of all, let me type Terraform, and as you can see, command is not found, which means that the Terraform command is not installed on my system. Okay, I need first of all to enable the tap HashiCorp TAP. I can do this using brew tap HashiCorp/tap, and then I finally can install the HashiCorp Terraform. As you can see, this operation behind the scene is downloading all the formula and cask from this repository and making available in our Homebrew. This is like an additional repository from the Homebrew package manager. If you, like me, misspelled the TAP, just remember it's HashiCorp/TAP/Terraform. In a blink of an eye, the Homebrew package manager is taking care of downloading the package from the official website, the latest version available, and making ready to use in our system. It also matches the right architecture, so it means the Intel one if you are on Intel Mac, or the new Apple Silicon if you are using this new machine. Okay, in a blink of an eye, it will be available the Terraform command in our command line. Cool. Now we can type. Another thing that is important, if we would like to verify that the Terraform is the latest version available, use the brew upgrade HashiCorp TAP Terraform. Cool. Now if I'm typing Terraform command, we don't get the command not found, whereas we got the latest version and the platform that we are using. Cool. Now we can start our journey using the Terraform software, and the sky is the limit. A very common thing that might be very handy and useful in our terminal is actually enable the command completion. We can do this using Terraform, specifying the argument -install-autocomplete. In this way, all the Terraform command will get fulfilled in our terminal. Behind the scene, it interacts with Bash or Z shell, adding the all necessary command completion to our terminal. Cool, now we are good to go, ready to test our first script with Terraform. Yay! Have a great day!